Hello everyone, I'm Navid and this is HyperPix. Welcome back to another tutorial of our another text effect. This is a gorgeous one and my favorite. Okay, it's very detailed work and but actually it's very easy to use, just like all of other products. It works just the same way. And you're gonna see how we can modify it and edit the texts without the least graphical knowledge. Okay, to edit the main content, use the edit content from right click, and the new window we got the yellow layer. When we double click on it, we can modify the text, and actually the fonts are totally free and they're presented to you in another separate folder. All right, I'm gonna edit this. I'm gonna write my own text. I'm gonna go with stylers. There it is. Okay, we got a couple of layers up there. I'm gonna show you what are they. It's the main color. As you can see, it's red. We also got another gradient, so we can modify like the height when the red color starts. I recommend you just don't touch it. Rest of them are these little circles. We can put them wherever you want. It's up to you. You can put them wherever you want, and also we can place them wherever we want. Okay, we're just gonna skip this part. You can do your own way and do it just as your text fits. Okay, we got sprays, or we can put them where we want them. Put them up there, down there. If you wanted to like make a copy of it, use it with a Alt plus Shift, and you can have another spray color. All right, we got also white sprays. This is a white gradient. You can like change them, and we can place them where we want. Okay, we're done this part. I'm gonna close this window and save it. It's gonna take a couple of seconds so that the changes applies. Yeah, as we see, our style is totally applied to our text. Okay, took was a couple of drag and drops. Okay, I'm gonna show you how these folders works from the top. Totally easy. Okay, but if we want to do this, I recommend you go to Style folder and turn off the extrusion layer. It's the tree design behind the text. It can help you to boost up your speed and work with it easily. We can activate it later in the final step. Okay, first folder is adjustment layer. As you see, it has like a layer of contrast and lighting. Next one is sparkles. As you can see, there are a couple of sparkles all around our design. We can also put them where we want and place them where we feel like it's necessary. It's very easy. Right click on it and use the sparkle. Select the sparkle, or in the layers, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna skip this part. Okay, but we can put them where we want. Next one is signature. As you can see, it's a little bit signature here. We can change them. It's very easy. Double click on the layer and write whatever you want. There it is. As you can see, very easy. After that, you can like put the color drips where you want. We can also use Alt Shift to copy it. There it is. Okay. Next one is another signature, just the same as the previous one. Double click on it and write whatever you want. There it is. Everything is layered, so it's easy to use. Okay, we got like 3 layers of signatures. Next one is elements. In elements folder, we got three groups: lines, splatters, and drips. First one is lines. As you can see, you can drag them. There you go. And put it where you want. Use Ctrl-T or Command-T in Mac. Okay, you can rotate it and put it where you think it's necessary to be. It's a graffiti design. It has some sort of elements into it. All right. I'm gonna copy it and put it this. Very easy to use. Next one is the splatters. As you can see, there's spray splatters. We can drag them and put it where we want. Okay, we can also use Alt-Shift and put it where you want. I'm gonna copy the purple one. There's another one here. Easy to use. Third folder is drips. Just as we witnessed before, there are some drips layers so that we can put them where we think it's necessary, and it's going to help our design. I'm going to put it right here, another one right here, and very easy actually. Nice and easy. I'm going to duplicate it. Another one here. Also keep duplicating it. Okay. There it is. Okay. One goes there. I'm gonna change the size of it. Yep. I think it's good, isn't it? Okay, we're done with this folder. I'm gonna close the elements groups. Next one is a style. The next one is a style folder that I recommend you just don't touch it. It's the main 3D designs and the main design of the text. So let's just don't touch this one. Let it be on the default mode. Next one is elements, second elements. As you can see, these circles, every single one of them are draggable. As we witnessed, we can also duplicate it. We can change the colors, duplicate on it, right click on it and choose the color. Next one is the big halo, actually. As you can see, it's my favorite font. We can change it. It's just one of them. I recommend you put it on the middle of your work. Next one is another halos. It's very easy to drag and move them and rotate them. Put them where you want them to be. Okay. I'm gonna put them right here. Next one's here. Next one is Splatter Layer. There are a couple of two background colors. We can also duplicate them. They're behind the text. That's the difference between these two. You can also duplicate them and use how much you want. Next one is a background layer. It's our wall here. If you're done with the design, go to Style and turn on the extrusion layer so that we can have the 3D design. It's going to take a couple of seconds depending on your computer system. There it is, and this is our 3D design. A very cool one, actually. Without any skills, without any taking couples of hours to design this, you can do this in just less than 5 minutes. It's very easy to use and a very cool and attractive one. I hope you like this video, and if you wanted to download this text style, just go to hyperpix.net and download a lot of other designs. You can use them in your next project. Thanks for watching.